Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Look what I have. EYESCREAM Beauty! Yay! Oh yeah, can't wait for this box. Each month it's such a great surprise with everything that's in it. There's always a palette. You're guaranteed one even in the bag. So she has a box for $25 or a bag for $12.50. The bag you get three items, which includes a palette. And in the box you get 5, which includes a palette for sure. And we are going to pop into this July box. I can't wait to see what she's put together because she always does a good curation. I just really have enjoyed the EYESCREAM Beauty box. It is a monthly box. This is what it looks like on the inside. That was our product card that just fell off, and it says Independent Queen. That's right. And here we're going to find out all about some Independent Queen. And we have several items in here. And the first item is a 4-color multi-chrome palette, and it's a $25 value. So I've already gotten my $25 worth. And it is right here in this little packet. Guys, we may have more than one palette in this box. D. Lancy. The packaging is pretty, but it's a little bit difficult to open. Alright, I'm getting it. This was really in there. Okay, after all of that, there are our multi-chrome colors by Delancey. Doesn't that look great? We got a blue, a pink, a white, and a purple, and they'll probably shift. They might shift in colors depending on which way it's going. It's a multi-chrome, and it says, these multi-chromes were made to shine bright in the beauty summer sun. They contain shimmers and can shift between 3 to 4 colors each. The easiest way to see what color a multi-chrome will shift is to swatch it and then lift the color towards the light and away from the light. You should see there are shifting shades. So, shifting shades. So let's get some of that blue on. Y'all know I can't do this very good. And away from the light, yeah, I see some green. I don't know if y'all are seeing anything though, except some blue. And then we have that pink. Almost looks the color of my skin. Yep, see that? And then this is the lighter pink. Oops, I went too hard in that one. And that one shifts pink and white. And then, yeah, see, don't press too hard. See what I did to my palette? I pressed too hard and I pressed it down. Didn't mean to do that. So let that be a warning to you. Don't overdo it. And then this one here is shifting white. It looks pink when it goes on. So that's the 4 colors. I don't know if you can see them very well, but that's what they are. And I don't know if I can fix this one or not that I messed up. I messed it up so bad I'm just going to put some on. It's the pink, but it comes off green and blue and whatever colors y'all are seeing there. Oh yeah, so it's definitely shifting. I think I like putting it on to see the shift. Those are some great shifting colors. That's just this color right here, the one that looks pink. So there's lots of shifts in that. Very nice. Let's move on to the next palette. That was a $25 value. The next item I'm pulling out of here is a liquid dual chrome eyeshadow by Shantico Beauty, and this is a $38 value. We've had these before. These are the liquid ones. Let's take a look here. I just love the EYESCREAM Beauty. Look at that. Such beautiful packaging that they have. And there's the multi-chrome. And you can see all the different colors just in that. I am not going to swatch this because I have some and I may want to gift these at some point. but you can see just that one shadow shifting up there. And then we have 2, so let's see what color that one was. Well, it just gives us a number. So I don't see a color on there. Look kind of pinkish, but it's a duochrome, so that doesn't necessarily mean anything because it can change and shift. And then this one here looks a little gold-like. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? We're going to take it out here and at least look at it. So yeah, that's a gold coppery one. So yeah, that is pretty. And it's a liquid. And again, I'm not going to swatch these because I may end up putting them in a giveaway. It says they're including not 1 but 2 Shantico Beauty liquid duochrome shades to allow you to experiment even more chrome shades. The shades chose are meant to be night and day. Feeling a little adventurous? These can also be used on your lips. Oh, okay, so these here can be used on your lips too. So that's kind of good to know. That's the Shantico Beauty, can be used on your lips. And then the next item we have is the Queen, and it says Ice Cream Highlights by Queen. It's an $18 value. Summertime is all about glowing skin. So of course we had to include a highlighter. What better shade than ice cream? This universal highlight creates an instant dewy finish with a pearlescent glow. Apply 1 layer for a subtle effect or apply multiple layers to have an intense highlighter. So let's take a look at this highlighter. I like the packaging. What do y'all think about the packaging? And then there's our highlighter inside here, and you can see the glow. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Now I'm torn. I don't know whether to try to use this or not. I think I'm going to try to use it. Okay, I put it on both sides. Got me a little brush here to blend in. I don't know, did it give me a little glow or what? It felt nice, I will say that. I like the color, and it said it was ice cream. Very nice. And then we also got a long-lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra. And this is a $20 value. It's a Hot Mess Mama liquid lipstick by Ofra Cosmetics. And it says Hot Mess Mama is a YouTube influencer who has 3 channels dedicated to beauty, vlogging, and cooking. She has also been unboxing our boxes for the past 2 years and has always been an absolute pleasure. We knew we had to feature one product from her collection, and we are so happy that we were able to do it. The quality of the shade of this color is absolutely stunning. Want to purchase more Hot Mess Mama? And Ofra Cosmetics have been so kind to provide a code Hot Mess, which can be used at Ofra's Cosmetics to shop the rest of the Hot Mess Mama collection for any Ofra product and save 20%. So that's pretty good. Did y'all hear that? Hot Mess is the code, HOTMESS, if you want to go on the Ofra Cosmetics site and shop. And let's find out about this lip color. I'm not sure about the lip color for me personally because I like to use pink or red. But here we go. And this is Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick by Ofra. Now what do y'all think? I guess I'm going to have to swatch it because Ofra is a good brand. Looks like a nice color. I might like that. Let's try it out. I think it's matching what I have on already. It feels really nice, I will tell you that. I might have to say Hot Mess Mama. That's probably a good choice. I'm going to like that. Very nice. It's very moist. I like a lippy that's moist. That's really nice. Okay, now on to the feature. And that there was a $20 value. Our last item is our bigger palette, and it is called Ethereal. This is an Oaklawn Ethereal 18 color shadow palette. Let's read about it real quick before I dig into it. To complement the various chromes included in your box, we have included a warm tone palette by Oaklawn Cosmetics. These shades can be used to create a smoky eye to which the chrome shades can be applied on top of to complete the look, and it can be used on its own for everyday soft makeup looks. Alright, well that makes sense. And looky there. It is earth tones. Look at that. It has a mirror. Look at those colors. Aren't those pretty? Oh my goodness. So it says it'll match up with these multi-chromes and give you a smoky look. Okay, well y'all know I used brown, and I have brown on, but I brought my little handy dandy brush, and I'm going to put some more brown on. I'm going to pick that dark color brown right there. Put it on. We're just going to deepen this look. Oh yeah, it's highly pigmented. I'm going to come up a little higher here. Oh yeah, what do you think? Wow, I mean I already had it on there, but now that's even more depth. Okay, I think I'm going to try this one here. It looks like some gold and flecks. I'm going to put it on top of my gold that I had on. Looks pretty good. Now this is my blender brush too. So, ooh, let's try this one right here. Look at that color. It's like marbled with different colors. Let's see what we get out of that. I'm going to blend it up here on top. You see that? That there added a little bit of purple and blue just out of one color. Wow. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's try one more. I'm going to get my flat tip brush here, and I'm going to go after that pink right here. I'm going to put it right here. And it's really soft because I mashed it in just a little bit by just using a little bit there. Okay, just for fun, I'm going to go with like one of these mustardy colors because I want to see what it's going to be. You know, we're doing this for fun, right? So I'm going to get this, and I'm going to put this little mustard color. I'm going to put this inside my eye and see what happens. You see that? I don't know what color that is, like a mustard brown. You see it? I've got it on the inside there. I'm not sure if it did anything, but I can see that it's on there. Okay, so is that enough playtime? I wonder what this one is. It looks like rocks. Let's try it out with this one. Ooh, wow, that puts some color on now. Now let's see if I can match it up. Wow, yeah, that was this color right here that's kind of weird looking. And you can tell it's, I think it's like a cream because it went down, you know, it melted down a little bit. That looks like orange and all kinds of colors. Okay, now, that's our palette. One more look. I used the brown. I used this shade over here that's kind of multicolor. I used that pink where you can tell I put the brush in. I used the gold that was right next to it, and I used this color over here, and I used this mustard color. After we do all that, she said we could do these multi-chromes on top. I've already used the pink way up here, and we can see that it's shifting different colors. So I'm going to take this brush, and I'm going to pick the blue just to see what it's going to do. And I'm going to put it on top of here. Can we see if it's shifting? How does that look? I think it looks pretty cool. And then I'm going to take this color and just put it inside here, just on top of where we put that other colors. And we got a more varied purple look. So what do you think? That's pretty cool. I like it. It's different, that's for sure. And she said it can go day or night. So you can use this palette and keep it more subdued, kind of like how I had my look when we first came on a while ago. Just more of a base color of browns. But then you can start adding color. And you can add shifts. And we got all kinds of shifts going on there. Oh yeah. Ice Cream Beauty. There we go. All right, we got the Oakland palette, the Ethereal. We got our Delancey Dual Multi-Chromes. Beautiful colors. We got our highlighter. That was very lovely. We got our liquid lipstick by Oprah, which is still really nice and smooth. So I like it. And then we got 2 dual chromes, and she said you could use them on your lips. Is that the pink one or the gold one? Let me see here. I'm going to use one of them. I just have to because this is my favorite box. I love getting all these different colors. Okay, so which one's the more goldy? This one right here. Okay, I'm going to try this on my lips. She said you could put it on your lips. Interesting. Does it shift? I don't know. Is it shifting colors? It's having to compete with Oprah. But it's nice and smooth. Alright guys, well, I've used a little bit of everything today, as usual. And I like it. So we have the dual chrome liquids, and it looks like it's a kind of a golden one or a pinky tone one, so you can go either way with it. And then we got, of course, our liquid lipstick, and that is everything. So I say let's scream for Eye Cream Beauty. Yay! Yay, yay, yay! Another fun box. Alright guys, that's all I have for Ice Cream Beauty. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways, anything that is currently going on. Be on the lookout for new products and try out your Ice Cream Beauty box. If you haven't gotten it, you might be interested in getting it. It's really a fun little box, and it's always makeup. And if you don't want to spend $25, then spend $12.50. You'll get a palette. It may not be this palette, but you'll get one. But as for Ice Cream Beauty, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.